Hello everyone, today I'm here to teach you how to create and print in a 3D printer. So the first thing you want to do is get software to design. The software that I'm using is Tinkercad. You would log in, hit personal account, and sign in. Once you're signed in, you hit the create button, then hit 3D design. Once you're in the software, you want to go and download the Dremel DigiLab 3D slicer. This is used to slice up your 3D model after you create it. Hit download for Mac or download for Windows, depending on what type of computer you're using. Now while that's downloading, go back to your 3D model software and you're going to hit text. Now you can create your own model, but for today we're going to create a M for impure. We're going to choose a font. Here's our model we're going to print in the 3D printer. Then you're going to name your model, so impure M. Then you're going to hit export, hit .stl, and the for 3D print tab. You're going to hit your file, and here's your .stl file. Now you're going to set up your Dremel DigiLab 3D slicer, and you're going to click on it. Once in the software, we're going to go to the left hand corner and open file. We're going to go to the impure m.stl, the file that you saved in the STL format, and you're going to hit open. Now you can move the model anywhere you want onto the 3D printer. You can scale it, rotate it, mirror it, and other different settings. But for this, we're going to move it into the middle because this is the easiest place to print. For the print setup, this is for if you want to change the settings of how your model is going to print. But since this print is so simple, we do not need to generate support. This generating support is for more complex 3D models. But for this is simple, so we do not need to generate support. And since our model is ready, we can hit prepare. Okay, now you can save the file to your computer, or you can put in a USB and you can save the file to the USB. Now that you have the file saved in the USB, we can go to the 3D printer. So once you get your file onto the flash drive, what you want to do is turn on 3D printing machine with this button right here. Turn it on. Shut the cut on. Okay, once the 3D printer is on, you want to put in your flash drive. Okay, now you want to put in your filament of your choice. For this, it's going to be green. Make sure you get the end. You want to put it into the tube this white tube. Okay, once it's in the tube, if there's filament already in here, you have to take out the filament. So there's filament in here, so you have to take that out. So what you will do is, you'll hit filament. You're gonna hit change filament. You're gonna ask you to cut the filament if it's already pre-existing filament in there. It's already cut. Then you're gonna hit next. This arrow right here. It's gonna start heating up the machine. Okay, once the product is heated up, it's gonna tell you to put in your new filament. So how you would do this is, you get your scissors, you're gonna cut your 3D filament on an edge, on a slant. Then, your old filament is cleaned out. You're gonna click down this button, just push it down, and put your filament through here. And through the hole while pushing this button down. Remove your old filament string and hit next. Now your new 3D printing filament should come out. Now as you see it came out, just hit done. Remove this part. Now it says that it detected that your filament was PLA, so you just hit accept. Now you want to hit build. And you want to go to the flash drive. You want to go down to your file name, which is impure, and then you want to hit build. Now it's going to do some calibrating, and it's going to heat up your plate. And so when it's heating up your plate, you want to add your glue. So I'll show you that in a second. So once it gets to 200 degrees, you want to start putting your glue on to the spot where you fixed it onto in the software. So we know ours is going to be somewhere in the middle. So you just put the glue right there in the middle. Now the glue's on, it's going to start printing. Okay, so once your print is done, you want to take these two buttons right here, push them down, lift it up, and here's the print. You want to take this tool over here and just come under the print. Now that you got your print, put it in a safe place. Take off the structural support, and now you want to wash the bed. So what you do is you're gonna come out here. You want to use this soap right here. Just hover over it. Come on the other side, hover over it. Now you got your soap. You want to go back in here. Get your paper towel. Wet a little bit. Start turning purple. And you just want to clean off the purple part. And then dry it off. Take your paper towels away. Put your bed back into the 3D printer. Put this back like this. Come down, let it quit. Hit accept. Now you can keep the flash drive in here if you want to make a new build, take it out, put it in your computer. But after that, you just turn it off. This button right here, and you're done. Thank you for watching Impure. See you soon.